Hello everyone! Welcome back to Kazakh lessons. Today we will talk about general greetings. How to say hello in a polite way. Sálemetsiz. How to say hi or hello to your friend. Salem. What is your name? Seniň atyň kim? My name is Anna. Meniň atym Anna. Where do you live? Qaıda turasyň? I live in Astana. Men Astanada turamyn. Jasym neshede? How old are you? Jasym 25. I am 25. Qaıda jumys isteısiň? Where do you work? Men mektepte jumys isteımin. I work at school. Now present simple to be. How to say I am a teacher? Men mugallimmin. There are 4 pronouns. Each of them have their own endings. For example, pronoun men has endings mın, min, pın, pın. Pronoun sen has endings sing, sing. Pronoun siz has endings sız, siz. And pronoun all doesn't have any endings. Now let's try to make some sentences. Men mugallimmin. Sen mugallimsin. Siz mugallimsiz. Ol mugallim. Let's do other example. For example, I am a student. Men studentpin. Sen studentsin. Siz studentsiz. Ol student. Try to make some sentences with other words. Now let's go through jobs. Mugallim, a teacher. Student, a student. Uçkuş, a pilot. Qurulysshy, a builder. Dərigər, a doctor. Medbiki, a nurse. Sayasatkar, a politician. Zanger, a lawyer.